Hello, gentlemen. Ever wondered what are the top hairstyles for men in 2024? Today, we're going to delve into the diverse world of men's hairstyles and uncover the 7 best hairstyles that are making a splash this year. Your hairstyle is a significant part of your overall appearance. It's not just about looking good, but also about expressing your personality and style. Keeping up with the latest trends can give you that extra edge, making you stand out in a crowd. So, without further ado, let's begin our journey into the world of men's hairstyles and explore the 7 most popular hairstyles of 2024. First up on our list is the textured crop. This modern and versatile hairstyle has been gaining popularity for its simplicity and style. It's all about short sides with a slightly longer length on top, giving your hair a textured and dynamic look. The best part about the textured crop is its versatility. Whether you're headed to a business meeting or a casual outing, this hairstyle fits the bill perfectly. The textured crop is a low-maintenance hairstyle that requires minimal styling. Just a little bit of hair product to add texture and you're good to go. This makes it an ideal choice for those busy mornings when you're short on time but still want to look your best. But it's not just about convenience. The textured crop is also about making a statement. It's a hairstyle that exudes confidence and style. It's about being comfortable in your own skin and not being afraid to show off your personality. So, if you're looking for a hairstyle that is both fashionable and easy to maintain, look no further than the textured crop. It's a hairstyle that will not only make you look good, but also make you feel good. The textured crop is perfect for men who want a low-maintenance yet fashionable look that exudes confidence and style. Moving on to our second hairstyle, we have the classic pompadour. A blast from the past with a renewed vigor, the classic pompadour is all about embracing a timeless charm. This hairstyle is characterized by its short sides and back, with a longer top styled upwards and swept back, creating a voluminous and dashing look. The classic pompadour conveys an air of sophistication and suave, making it an excellent choice for those looking for a polished and refined appearance. Whether you're heading to a business meeting or a casual outing, this hairstyle can effortlessly transition between different settings. Remember, the key to a great pompadour is a good quality hair product and a fine comb. A dollop of pomade or wax combed through your hair can give it the required hold and shine, making it easy to style and maintain throughout the day. Now let's dive into our third hairstyle, the modern quiff. As the name suggests, this hairstyle is a contemporary take on the traditional quiff. The modern quiff is defined by its short sides and back with a longer, textured top. This top section is styled upwards and back, creating a voluminous and edgy look. It's the perfect blend of classic and modern, offering a refined yet daring vibe. The modern quiff is an excellent choice for those who love to make a fashion statement. Its versatility allows you to style it in various ways, from a neatly combed look for formal occasions to a tousled, textured look for a more relaxed vibe. A good hair product can aid in achieving the desired texture and hold, making your hairstyle look effortlessly chic. Both the classic pompadour and the modern quiff are testimonies to the fact that the best hairstyles are often a fusion of old and new. They embody the spirit of reinvention, proving that with a little creativity and style, you can transform traditional hairstyles into modern masterpieces. The modern quiff is perfect for men who want to make a bold fashion statement while maintaining a touch of elegance. Next up, we have the sleek and sophisticated slicked back undercut. This hairstyle is all about making a bold statement with a hint of traditional elegance. The slicked back undercut features short sides and back, with a significantly longer length on top. This top section of hair is then slicked back, creating a clean and polished look. The undercut adds a dash of modernity to this classic style, ensuring you turn heads wherever you go. This hairstyle is ideal for those of you who are looking for a blend of classic and contemporary in your hairstyle. The slicked back undercut isn't just about looking good, it's also a practical choice. Its shorter sides make it a lower maintenance option, while the slicked back top adds a touch of sophistication, making it suitable for both casual and formal settings. So if you're someone who likes to keep things simple yet stylish, the slicked back undercut is definitely worth considering. Moving on to our fifth hairstyle, we have the mid-length layered cut. 2024 sees a rise in popularity of medium-length hairstyles, and this one is a prime example. The mid-length layered cut is all about embracing a more relaxed and carefree look. It features medium-length hair with subtle layers added in for texture and movement. The layers give the hair a natural, tousled look, perfect for those of you who prefer a more laid-back style. Don't be fooled by its relaxed appearance though. Despite its effortless look, the mid-length layered cut can be styled in various ways, making it a versatile choice. Whether you want to keep it casual for a day out or style it up for a formal event, this hairstyle has got you covered. The mid-length layered cut is perfect for men who want a laid-back and effortlessly cool appearance. It's all about embracing your natural hair and making it work for you. So, if this sounds like your kind of style, why not give it a try? For men who want to add a unique touch to their hairstyle, we have the taper fade with design. Certainly not for the faint-hearted. This hairstyle is all about making a statement. The taper fade with design is characterized by a gradual reduction in hair length on the sides and back of the head, leading to a neat, clean look. But here's where it gets interesting. Within this taper fade, barbers can etch out intricate designs or patterns, allowing you to express your individuality and creativity through your hairstyle. Whether you choose geometric shapes, tribal patterns, or even your favorite sports team's logo, the design possibilities are endless. This hairstyle is a great way to add a personal touch to your look, making it as unique as you are. And finally, we arrive at our 7th hairstyle, the natural curls. As the name suggests, this hairstyle is all about embracing and celebrating your natural hair texture. 2024 has seen a surge in men letting their curls run free, and we're all for it. This hairstyle requires minimal styling, making it perfect for those who prefer a low-maintenance routine. The key to pulling off this look is to keep your curls well conditioned and healthy. A good quality conditioner and a curl-enhancing cream can work wonders in defining your curls and reducing frizz. The natural curls hairstyle is perfect for men who are not afraid to flaunt their natural hair texture, and it sends a strong message of authenticity and confidence. So there you have it, the taper fade with design and the natural curls, 2 brilliant hairstyles that are trending in 2024. Whether you're looking for a bold, unique look or a more relaxed, natural vibe, there's a hairstyle out there for you. The natural curls hairstyle is perfect for men who want to embrace their natural texture and make a laid-back fashion statement. And there you have it, gentlemen. The 7 best hairstyles for men in 2024. We started with the versatile textured crop, a low-maintenance yet fashionable look. Then we moved on to the classic pompadour, a timeless hairstyle that exudes sophistication and charm. Third, we had the modern quiff, a favorite among men who desire an edgy yet refined look. The slicked back undercut came in 4th, combining elegance and modernity for those who want to stand out. Next, we discussed the mid-length layered cut, perfect for those seeking a relaxed yet stylish look. The 6th hairstyle was the taper fade with design, a bold choice for men who want to express their individuality. And finally, we wrapped up with the natural curls, a carefree hairstyle that allows men to embrace their natural texture. Each hairstyle has its unique charm and personality, reflecting the diverse tastes and preferences of men. Whether you're looking for a bold, edgy look or a more refined, sophisticated style, there's a hairstyle out there for you. Remember, your hairstyle is a crucial part of your overall appearance. It's not just about following the latest trends, but also about finding a style that aligns with your personality and makes you feel confident. But what truly matters, beyond the hairstyle you choose, is the confidence you carry it with. Confidence is the key to making any hairstyle look good. So whether you're sporting a textured crop or embracing your natural curls, wear it with pride and confidence. In the end, the best hairstyle is the one that makes you feel good about yourself. It's the one that allows you to express your personality and makes you feel comfortable in your own skin. So don't be afraid to experiment and find the hairstyle that suits you best. Remember, the best hairstyle is the one that makes you feel confident and comfortable. Stay stylish, gentlemen.